that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming videos. Hi everyone. I am getting ready to make crab cakes, but they're going to be imitation crab because my son is highly allergic. And I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm putting in there. I have probably 6 portions for this recipe, called for about a 6-ounce can of crab meat. So I used this little food processor and I crushed it all up into more manageable pieces. And I also am using 1 container of heavy whipping cream. I have 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, just regular mayonnaise. I have 6 beaten eggs, and I have 3 cups of breadcrumb. Now I'm going to get more breadcrumb because once I get them formed, I'm going to put some breadcrumb on the outside. This is just to mix everything together. Hi, so I already put the eggs in. That was 6 beaten eggs. This is 3/4 of a cup of mayo, and it's just regular mayo. It's I use olive oil mayo. It's a little bit healthier for you. I don't know how much healthier it is. And this is that full container of the heavy whipping cream. And again, with my meatballs, I'm going to do the same exact thing with these crab cakes. I am going to put everything in the bowl, and I'm going to use my hands to mix it, and I'm going to feel and see if I need to put anything else in, like maybe more breadcrumb or whatever. So I forgot to tell you, I'm using 3 cups of Italian style breadcrumbs. You can use whatever kind you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all up with my hands, feel and see if there's anything different that I need to put in. And then I'm going to form them and fry them, and then we'll come back and show you what they look like. Little messy, but it's not too bad. So I added an additional egg to this mixture. It didn't feel wet enough to me, so I added an extra egg. So there's 7 eggs in there. And what I'm doing is taking about a baseball size amount of the crab meat, and then I'm flattening it. And then, now you have to remember, these are not real crab, so it feels a little bit different. And then I'm adding some breadcrumb to the outside, and then I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven, and probably about a half hour. This is a learning experience for me also, like I said, because I've never done these with imitation crab. So we're on this adventure together. I baked these in the oven, and I didn't really like the color they had on them. This one isn't even dark like I would like it, so I am frying them. If you can do that in the oven, put them in the oven, let them set, and then put them in so that they don't fall apart. And they have not fallen apart. And also, some people put it in the refrigerator after they mix it so that it sets and they don't fall apart when you fry them. So I'm going to taste it and let you know what I think. Also, I didn't put a whole lot of seasoning in these because some people just don't like seasoning. So I didn't put a whole lot in. You can put in whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. I'm going to try it. Not bad without the regular crab meat. Pretty good. Enjoy. Mangia.